just shea butter. And if you've ever worked with raw shea butter, it's a bit hard, so it's very hard to get it out of the tub. So I'm gonna make it so that it's soft and creamy and easy to be applied to the skin. So I'm going to use half of this amount. Right now it's 16 ounces, so I'll use 8 ounces, so half of that amount. I'll mix it with maybe 4 ounces of coconut oil. Okay, and I'm just gonna add a bit of mineral oil to it, and then add my oil, so tea tree oil, some vitamin E, and some peppermint, and I think I might have some 8 ounces of the shea butter in a bowl. So this is the solid form, hard solid form of shea butter, and I did about 1 cup of the coconut oil, the solid form, and I'm just gonna put those to melting. So I didn't do the direct heat. I put it in a little pot of water, and then I put the basin in that metal basin in the pot of water, and then they'll just melt slowly. I think this way it doesn't burn. We don't want it to burn. Okay, so it just melts slowly. All right, and liquid so that it will start solidifying again, and then I will whip it. Okay, so it's just getting nice and set right now, like a solid form, not so liquidy anymore. So I'm just gonna use my whisk mixer to kind of get it nice and fluffy. Okay guys, so it's all set. I put it in my little container already, so you see it has a more creamier consistency versus